Hello everyone. Every planet and every asset, every team have a lot of stories. These stories shape our industries. So today we have another story and there is a lot of lesson learned from this case study which is handled today. Today we'll talk more about the fitness for service, and this is the right person to talk about the fitness for service. This is Engineer Hisham. Engineer Hisham Sadiq is one of the guys which is already have a very good experience in fitness for service. So let's take a look about the experience of Engineer Hisham. Hello, Engineer Hisham. I need to just introduce yourself and your experience to the audience first of all.
Thank you, Engineer Ahmed. I am Hisham Sadiq. I am mechanical engineer. I am working as the asset management general manager at the biggest refinery in Egypt, Alexandria. Our benefit, especially to be specialized in evaluation, how to evaluate the assets during operation, to be safe operation by fitness for service. Fitness for service calculation and assessment.
Yeah, it's a very good topic. To be honest, I'm really interested about a lot of information inside this field because it's taken a big place now in the market. I know that you have already a very good steps in the market nowadays. So let us know what is the purpose of fitness for service now, or how you can help the companies by using the fitness for service calculations and assessment, as you mentioned now.
Fitness for service, that's a good way to determine the final situation.
Yeah, very good.
How to deal with the equipment, continuous operation, or need some repairs or completely replacement.
Yeah, very good.
Fitness for service determine the damage mechanism and the effect of damage mechanism type, and also the remaining thickness. This remaining thickness can carry the internal pressure or external pressure and the stresses for the internal surface. Type of damage mechanism is important to select the parts of calculations for parts in fitness for service according to EPI standard.
Yeah.
And that finally will be satisfied if this asset will be continuous or need some repair or major repair or completely replacement.
Yeah, it's a very good from this point. I think it's very related as a reliability guy. I think it's very related to the asset health and the asset life, which is, as you mentioned now, the remaining useful life. So I think this is a very, very important factors, and there's some assessment needed for any harsh industry like oil and gas, like petrochemicals and all of this. So how you can see the fitness for service to extend to extend the asset life, to take the maximum production, the maximum final products, and at the end of the year to impact positively on the financial statement of the company. By the way, how you can see this for extending the asset life?
Fitness for service can help with the assessment for remaining life, and this assessment for remaining life maybe can the owner rescheduling the shutdown, the number of shutdown.
Yeah.
Some refinery
so
usually
the interval of shutdown.
Yes.
Yeah.
Interval.
It will be increased, so I can
To be increased. Maybe some refinery annually have a shutdown. By fitness for service and evaluate the remaining life can be increased to be 3 years, for example.
Yeah.
But before fitness for service, we, as you say, the reliability of the equipment to finally make the asset criticality for this old refinery. Maybe we have some assets like maybe 5% of the total asset. This 5%, after a long of operation, we need to confirm by fitness for service.
Yeah.
This fitness for service will give us actually actually
The status
the
of
remaining,
yeah.
the actual status, and actually the remaining life.
Yeah, very
If the final result is will be 5 years or 6 years or more,
yeah,
it means you can reschedule the shutdown for the equipment.
yeah,
And the result if will be for remaining life 1 year, what you will do?
yeah. Definitely, you
That's
will
mean
stop the assets. Yeah,
that's mean you confirm you need shutdown. You
Yeah.
need shutdown actually.
Yeah.
By calculation you need shutdown.
yeah.
That's
It's a very, very good insights, especially also from other side, we can see also the bad things, which is obsoleteness management system, or how you can obsolete your asset. Definitely depends on, or even change a big part or the major part in your assets. Definitely, it will depend on these calculations coming from fitness for service. So it's also have a positive and negative impact. That's what I understand from your side, and also from my background, I saw a lot of calculations. So I'm agree with you. This is 100%. It's adding value for any harsh industry like oil and gas and petrochemical industries. So from this point of view, the question which is top on the table now, when I can do the fitness for service, from your point of view and from your hands-on experience in that calculation assessment.
Yes, that's a good question. Past 5 years, our inspection department already
Yeah.
have a plan, have the assets, have the standard for inspection methods. All the inspection method can be applied
Yeah.
on the asset. The result of this inspection method can be calculated, and the result of calculation may be recommended for repair.
Yeah.
Now, this repair finally will be
Yeah. Definitely. Yes.
cost, maybe a large cost,
Yeah.
and this is a large
It
money.
cannot be affordable,
Yes.
by the way. Yeah. In some organizations.
Yes. If we, after recommendation of the inspection for repair and replacement, before repair and before replacement, I have to be confirmed with fitness for service. It's nothing.
Yeah.
This fitness for service. Now we have a lot of type of softwares.
Yeah.
Maybe will take 3 days for calculations
Yeah.
and verifications for these calculations.
To giving you
After
some
these 3
deliverables, yes.
days, you can be confirmed if we need repair or not. And also the type of repair will be depends on the type of damage.
Yeah.
But if you need to be a good time for fitness for service, after recommendation of an inspection department.
Yeah, it's a very good insights from this point. Yeah, I'm agree 100% with you. These calculations, it's having a very positive impact, even to restore the asset function again, to getting more production for the future. So it's a mandate, especially on the safe wise as a safety. So you need to take care from these points also, as you mentioned now. So the next question is related to the challenges when you're doing these studies or calculation or assessment of fitness for service. I think you have a lot of challenges and hassles when you are doing that. So
Yes.
can you explain that for us from your past experience, please?
Yeah, sure. Maybe I remember that the owner have some damage, and he catch a
some
major
findings,
damage.
yeah.
Yes, and he asked for fitness for service calculation and assessment,
Yeah, very good.
but he actually don't know which part we can use, and maybe he asked a type of part.
Yeah,
But the type of damage is not compatible with the part. It's mean a different situation.
yeah,
Maybe if we don't select the actual part in fitness for service, maybe we can find the result to replacement. But if we select the actual part for the actual damage mechanism, what already we catch it, maybe the result will be continuous for safe operation.
yes.
I found this before discussion between the owner and the fitness for service specialist for the selected part.
Yeah, okay.
And this need a good experience
Yeah.
knowledge with the damage mechanism according to also API. Maybe they will solve the problem with these discussions between the owner and the specialist for
Yes.
fitness for service to catch the perfect way.
Yeah, okay. Regarding the entities, technology, and the fitness for service and the AI, these three keywords all the time we listen a lot. So how we can see the AI related to the fitness for service? Is it usable or not? Or if it's usable, if it will make it easy more or not as your experience, or it's much complicated to get any insights about this as an AI technology. How we can see this as as an expert in this field, by the way?
I think using the AI in fitness for service is important because if we select the perfect advanced technique for compatible with the assets for tanks, for example, tanks. The bottom tank of tanks is very difficult to evaluate the bottom tanks.
Yeah.
But if we select advanced technique, can give us the profile for the bottom plate, maybe, and also the AI help for the image for this profile.
Yeah.
The output for fitness for service will be more actually and more perfect.
So, you mentioned the case study now of implementing the AI and take the maximum benefit from that. So I'm really appreciate this this answer, and I see this is a lot of knowledge about this, and I think this case study you saw that before. So at the end of our episode today, I need to just highlight some key points that you are suffering from in your management, through the integrity or asset integrity management. Can you highlight some points regarding this technology, regarding this, because we saw a lot of technologies nowadays in the market. So how you can make a separation between what's having a good impact, what's have not good impact for your industry, because now you are a decision maker in your organization. So that's why I need to get some insights from you as a manager in this point, which is have experience on how you can select the right technology that help your organization, especially there is a lot of prices nowadays in the market.
Firstly, I advise good training.
Yeah, very good.
Visit conference. Good relationship with the inspection company.
Yeah.
Check up to date the advanced technique. I advise all of this firstly.
Yeah, very good insight.
Secondly, the good or what you need exactly for the certificate. That's important.
Yeah.
After that, everything will be solved.
Everything
Will be solved.
Yeah. So the selection after you have a competent team, it will be very easy,
Yes,
and very good
yes.
networking in the market. So and this is recommended from your side to getting the much more benefits from your knowledge and your updated knowledge in the market. So very
For each people or any inspectors, build yourself. Firstly, by training.
Yeah, so the competence management take care, guys, from this point, because it's a mean a lot in our industry, because your team is a game changer. To be honest, your team again is a game changer from the shop floor level until engineering level. So this is our advice today in this episode, and I'm really thank you, Engineer Hisham,
Thank you.
to take this opportunity to get this owner to be beside you in this podcast. Inshallah, it will help a lot of guys. I think especially in the fitness for service, we have today, as you see, an expert in fitness for service field. So I'm really thank you. See you in the next episode, inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Ahmed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.